Okay, hello. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be replacing this air filter with this guy called the air charger high flow intake system for V-twin motorcycles, and it looks like this. Okay, instructions are pretty simple. They basically look like this, and I'm just going to go and follow them and see how everything is going. I have everything laid out right here, left to right, and some of the tools that you're going to use is 4mm Allen, 3mm Allen, 3/16. This one is 1/8, 1/4, 7/16, and 2 torque wrenches. And this is the kit that we're going to use. Okay, so let's start with this. I'm going to take my 3mm Allen, and I'm just going to go and undo the bolts on air system. Okay. Now the 4mm. Okay, and now this entire thing should just pop off, just like this. Okay, so I'm just going to place this right over here. Okay, next what we want to do, we want to remove these tubes right here. 1 and 2. Okay, then I'm going to loosen off these bolts inside here, and this is 3/16. Okay, it just comes out just like this. Okay. Okay, there's the second one. Okay. And now we're going to remove these guys, and I believe that was number 4. Yep. And then this plate is just attached to the fuel injection. Okay. Okay, so this is it. This is basically what we have right now. So what I'm going to do here in this in a minute, I'm just going to go and clean off the gasket. So I got to make sure everything is nice and clean. Once that is done, we're going to be reassembling the new filter. So I have the 3 O-rings, 1, 2, and 3. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip this over. Yes, I understand that one is going to pop off a little bit. Okay, and I'll put it in here shortly. Then we're going to take 2 O-rings, put them in here. Then, according to the book, we will insert 1, 2, and 3 of these little screws, and we're going to go halfway. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. And I believe that was 1/8. And it already has a little bit of a Loctite on it. So I'm just going to go. Oh, yeah. Okay, it bottomed out. Okay, that's what we want. Okay. Okay. We are good. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take this, just going to flip it over, prepare, okay, these two bolts, and I'm just going to put the blue Loctite on it. Okay. Okay. Then, yeah, I understand these guys popped out. Okay. Just like this. Throw the bolts through here. Okay. And we have the spacers. And we're going to put the spacers here and here. Okay. Just like this. Now I'm going to try to fit this in. What I had to do is I had to apply a little bit of grease on this gasket because it was constantly popping off. So I have the blue Loctite on both of these bolts, and all I'm doing is I'm just going to align them right here and screw them in.
Okay. I'm going to take my quarter, align the other washers. Okay, so they are even. Okay, good.
Okay, good. Okay, next, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert this this guy right in here and thread it in till it bottoms out. Okay, I just want to make sure that this is the right length, and it is. This one is, okay? Next, we're going to be putting these two little bolts, and they're going to go in here, in both of them, okay? And again, I'm going to apply a little bit of a Loctite so this doesn't come off. Okay. And right here. Okay. Nothing's tight yet. Okay. Okay, pause it. So what we're going to do right now, since we are in this spot right here, this is all hand tightened. I'm going to tighten these two bolts right here to 50 inch-pounds. And I already have this preset right here. And okay, that one's good. Okay, and this one's good. 50 inch-pounds. Okay. These guys right here, we're going to tighten them to 20 foot-pounds. And I have my torque wrench already preset. Okay. Okay. So we are looking good. Next, what we're going to do, we are going to place the gasket right in here, just like this. Okay. Okay, so it looks good. So what I'm going to do just before I'm going to place this up top, because it's supposed to go like this, and then tighten everything up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place the air filter right now. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. So now I'm just going to tighten up the screw because it's going to be painful going from the other side. Okay. Okay, this one's good. Okay, so all we have is these 2 4 nuts, and 3/16, and all I got to do is just place this on top like this and tighten it up. Okay, and it fits. Okay, now I'm just gonna place these nuts. And I also put the Loctite right here on these nuts. So all I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to tighten this up as best as I can. Okay, this is good. All right, so this is installed. It actually looks pretty good. No issues. So what we have learned in last 15 to 20 minutes is how to install this K&N air charger high flow intake system, or kits, whatever it's called. It's not difficult. It's just a little bit time consuming, but I'm sure you guys can do it if you follow my steps. And if you like this content, please give me a like and a share, and I'll see you on the next one.